Greetings everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Forms in your Wix website. So let's get started. First of all, I'll head to my Wix website. I'm going to go ahead and select a website to edit. So I'm going to select this one, clicking on select and edit. After that, we will be in the dashboard of our website. So the dashboard will look something like this. From here, we can click on edit site and edit our website. I'm going to open Google Forms as well so that I can prepare a form for my website. Alright, so I have created a form and it's ready. Now let's get back to the Wix website editor. Now in Wix website editor, we need to choose a place where we want to place our Google form. So I'm going to go at the bottom and place the Google form somewhere here. So this place looks like a good spot for my Google form to fit. Now what I'm going to do is move my mouse until I see the add section button, and here is the add section button. I'm going to click on the add section button. Now we have added the section successfully. However, my Google Forms is a bit larger than this section. So I'm going to stretch the section a bit. Alright, so my section is now a bit bigger. My Google form just might fit. Even if it doesn't, then I can restretch the section and make it bigger. So going to Google Forms, after you are in the form, make sure to click send here. And after clicking send, we are going to go here. This is the embed button. So after going to the embed section, we're going to click copy. Alright, so we have copied the code. Now let's get back to the Wix website editor. So here we are. Now we are going to click on the plus icon to add element. From here, we are going to click on search for HTML. Alright, here we have embedded HTML. We are going to add this one. We are going to click on the plus sign. So this is basically add to site button. Make sure that you are selecting code here, not website address. After selecting code, make sure to select all the text by triple clicking your mouse button and then right click, paste. Alright, so now we are going to update this section. Now we are going to close this window. So as you can see, my form is created, but it looks kind of small. So I'm going to stretch this one out. Well, it's still not fitting. So now we need to extend the section by stretching the section. Alright, the form has now fitted successfully. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to publish the site. So after the site is published successfully, we are going to click on view site to just go on view mode. Now in view mode, this section is the form section. So as you can see, now the form has been embedded in my website and I can select actions from this form. This form is now in work in progress. So as you can see, I have submitted the form and then the form response can be found here. And let me close this window. And as you can see, I have responses collected. So after the form is submitted in the website, you can collect responses from Google Forms. So guys, that's how you can add Google Form in your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.